Okay, welcome back, children. We're ready to work on our activity book. It should be the book with the smiley face, so everybody can get out your activity book. And once again, it should be a new book, so make sure you handle it very carefully and keep it looking nice. Before we start, we have to mention that Lexi has a new baby sister. So congratulations, Lexi. I haven't heard a name yet, so maybe Lexi could call or text me the name. I haven't heard a name. Okay, everybody can turn to this page. We have a new color this morning. It's the last color that you're going to learn in kindergarten, and it's the color black. So you can get out your crayons if you want. This crayon at the top says black, B-L-A-C-K, black. So what you're supposed to do here is, let's see, a skunk. Can a skunk be black? If a skunk is black, you're coloring black. And what about a tire? Is a tire black? And then a bear. And then a pear. If it can't be black, put an X on it, just like we did on the other pages. And then down at the bottom, read each crayon, and you have 8 of them now. 8 colors that you've learned. So read them carefully, see what color they want you to color it, and do them all the color that it says on there. That, you can probably come back to that page in a little bit. We're going to go on to this page. This page is super simple. I don't think anybody will have any trouble with this. It says, find the letter in each row that is different and put an X on it. So this first row here, you have a U, O, U, U. So the letter that is different is this O. So you put an X on that O there. Then you do the next line the same. Which one of those 4 letters is different? When you find it, put an X on it. We've never done that before, but I think it'll be pretty easy for you. So find each one of those that are different and put an X on them. When you get that done, you can turn to this page. We're talking here about big and little. An elephant is big and a mouse is little. So you have several pictures here, and you're supposed to draw a line. If it's big, you draw a line to the elephant, and if it's little, you draw a line to the mouse. So starting up here with a giraffe, would a giraffe be big like an elephant or little like a mouse? Everybody knows that one. Giraffe is big like an elephant. So draw a line from the giraffe over to the elephant. And then down below the giraffe, you have a little worm, like a little earthworm. Is a worm big like an elephant or little like a mouse? Everybody knows that. Draw a line from the worm down to the mouse, because worms are little. The rest of them I'm going to let you do on your own. You have a house, a tree, a truck, a pencil, a ladybug, and a flower. If they're big, draw a line to the elephant, and if they're little, like a mouse, draw a line to the mouse. Then we have the art project for today. You're probably going to have your parents help you with this a little. Do your coloring, color each one of these, and then you glue them on a green construction paper. And I'll let you look at mine. Here's mine. Glue them on a green construction paper like this. Put your birds, oop, my clover's falling off. Put your birds down in the corner, the rabbit here, and you give your rabbit a little fluffy cotton tail, and your butterfly you glue so that the wings are loose like this, and you make him some antenna, the squirrels, and then you kind of draw some flowers on there and try to make it look like a real picture. You can glue some clover here for the bunny to eat. If you have seeds, sunflower seeds or something, you can glue them here for the squirrels and the birds to eat. I didn't have any seeds, so I just drew mine in there. Try to make you a real lively picture like that. See how creative you children all are. If you want to, you can send me a picture of that. Don't have to on that. Here is your, I think that was the last page for the activity book. The activity book is pretty simple today. Here is your homework for the day. We're going to do some review on writing. We're going to do the uppercase E, the lowercase e, the uppercase L, the lowercase l, the 16, the 17, and then the sentence, the fat pig ran. The fat pig ran. And then put your name at the bottom. And this, you do need to take a picture of this and send it to my phone. 10 each, 10 E's, 10 lowercase e's, 10 L's, 10 lowercase, 10 16's, 10 17. You just have to write the fat pig ran one time. See if you can fit that all on one paper. Take a picture of it, send it to my phone, and then we're going to do some review here. We are going to do our colors first. Let's see, we'll throw the black crayon in there yet. See how you do on your colors. Let me mix them up really good here. Girls, students know all of your colors by now. If you don't know them all, it's time to get them learned because we just have a few more lessons left and you should be able to read every one of the 8 main colors. So let's see, we have Karina, Katura, Paige, Shanika, Carrie, April, Jakira. Did I say Lexi? All the girls. Let's give them to the girls first and then to the boys, okay? Girls, everybody look up here. We're going to go through these colors. See how many of them you know. Are you ready? Blue, all together, everybody loud. Purple, orange, red, black, yellow, brown, black, green, blue. Okay, that got us all the way through. Did you girls know them all? Let's see if the boys know them all. Boys, who do we have? Jamin, Blake, Ashton, Daryl, Zach. Can't remember. Who's behind there, Kenzie? Grant, do you know your colors? Okay, everybody look up here. Let me mix them up really good. See if we can trick these boys. Okay, are you ready? We'll start with the one we had today, boys. Everybody really loud. Let's go through them. If you don't know one, you'll know which ones to study then. All together. Black, yellow, brown, black again, green, blue, purple, orange, red, and black again. Okay, did you boys know them all? If you don't know those colors, you need to study them. Let's go to our numbers next. Our numbers. This time we'll go all together, boys and girls all together. And we're going to go all the way to 18, okay? We're going to start with 0. Everybody looking up here. Ashton, are you paying attention? Carrie? Here we go. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Watch carefully, we're getting into the big ones. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Good job. Let's go through them one more time. We're going to try to go a little faster this time. Everybody help me all together. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Good job, 18. Now we're going to do our shapes. Let's see if you remember these shapes. The newest one we had, I think this was the newest one, was the rectangle. Remember, a rectangle has 4 sides, 2 shorter, 2 longer. That's the rectangle. The square also has 4 sides, but they're all the same size, like this. Then the circle, everybody knows the circle. And the triangle, triangle. Okay, those are your shapes. And now we'll do letters. Everybody ready for their letters? Let me mix these up really good. Actually, why don't we try moving our stand again, and we'll go back here and do the letters on the board. That worked pretty good. Can you see them there? Let me move a little bit closer. Too close. There, I think you can see those. You grab me a pencil. Let me see if I can tip this down a little bit.
Do you need me to hold it?
No, I think this is good. Okay, here we go. Can you see this, children? We'll start up here with the D. Everybody ready? Everybody help. We'll do the D, D, D says D as in duck. Ready? D, D, D says D as in duck. S, S, S says S as in sun. M, M, M says as in monkey. A says as in apple. F, F, F says F as in fish. Everybody help. T, T, T says T as in turtle. G, G, G says G as in goat. O, O, O says Ah as in octopus. N, N, N says N as in nest. P, P, P says as in pig. I as in iguana. R says R as in rat. U says as in umbrella. B says B as in bell. K says K as in kite. And C says K as in cup. W says W as in watch. L says L as in ladder. E says E as in elephant. Good job. And then let's move this stand back up here. And then children, who can tell me what your vowels are? There's 5 vowels. Who knows what the vowels are? Let's get our vowel page back out. Can anybody name them? If you know them, say them right now. Starting with A, E, I, O, and U. A, E, I, O, and U are your vowels. And let's really quick go over your vowel sounds here. I know we did this once today, but we'll do it one more time, really quick. T-A, ta, te, ti, ta, ta. Now I'm just going to point to them, and you tell me which one it is. Are you ready? Did you say them by yourself? Let's see if you can say these by yourself. Everybody, boys, set up here. See if you can do them all by yourself. I want you to make the sounds. Are you ready? It's the SA is what? Did you say sa, si, sa, and sa? If you did, good job. Now let's do the M's. Say them as I point to them. Did you say ma, me, mi, ma, and ma? If you did, good job. You got them right. And the last one, ready? Did you say ra, re, ri, ra, and ra? Good job. Those are your vowel sounds. A, E, I, O, and U is your vowels. What else here? Let's really quick go through these letters. I'll mix them up. Let's go through the letters this way yet, and then we'll close for the day. See if we know our letters. If there's one you don't know, write it down, and then them's the ones you need to study. Really quick, let's go through them like this. These are all your lowercase. This is G, S, M, F, D, I, J, K, R, U, T, H, B, L, W, A, O, N, P, and back to G. Did you know all of those, children? If you don't know your letters, keep studying your letters. Make sure you know every letter and the sound that it makes, and we'll keep practicing those. Thank you for listening, children. That's all I have for you for today. I'll see you back here on Friday. Thank you.